Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials and then act. Sign up for Clickbank, complete payment and tax details so you can get paid. Once done, evaluate products by gravity and average commission. Pick 1 to 3 complimentary offers to test. Simultaneously, build a simple landing page and connect an email autoresponder. This captures leads and lets you follow up. Make sure to add tracking parameters now, because accurate data from day 1 tells you what to double down on and what to stop. Now scale the system. Drive targeted traffic using low-risk paid campaigns, SEO content, or influencer promos. Begin with small budgets to gather data. Once traffic flows, split test headlines, creatives, and landing variations to improve conversion rate and lower cost per acquisition. At the same time, deploy a short email sequence: welcome, value, soft pitch, follow-up, so you monetize repeat visitors. Track conversions, click-throughs, and cost metrics. This feedback loop is to finish, scale what works and protect your margin. Increase winning campaign budgets gradually and duplicate top-performing funnels across audiences. Once growth starts, outsource ad creation, copywriting, or landing design so you can focus on strategy. Hold weekly KPI reviews to catch regressions early. If ROI drops, troubleshoot methodically, verify tracking, assess traffic quality, confirm offer relevance, and test page speed. Fix the single biggest bottleneck first. This targeted approach restores performance faster than random changes and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.